Even though I'm not off today, I'm about to throw a mean fit. I'm gonna throw on a mean fit. It's a slight outfit, but I had to throw on a fit. So, tobacco outfit of the day. I painted on a shirt that I got on the 25th. So I want to show that off. Now the first time I wore it, when I got the shirt, I had on the blue Project Extinction pants. And then when I made the video, I put on the gray ones, but it was best to go with the black ones. Now, of my jackets, I've shown some love to the black leather jacket. I had the Hellcat jacket on yesterday, as well as the cow jacket. The jacket I've had the longest, with the most sentimental value, is going to be this one. Now, I also haven't worn this one with the cowboy hat, so I wanted to see it. It's the Dale Earnhardt NASCAR jacket. It says Intimidator, has his signature there. So, on the sleeve, I'm a cigar band bandit. Showing you some of the cigar bands. Now the back of the jacket says Graffiti Jungle. I put that up there. And of course, the Project Extinction design. So the shirt is the Yeezy Vulture merch. I added some cuts to it in the right places where I thought would be appropriate. Now, I would wear this shirt more often, but the one thing I hated about this shirt was the collar. It came across like that. It was really unattractive. So I just cut it, and I had it stitched up for a little bit, but it's just best to wear this as an overshirt over top of another shirt, which is what I have on right now. Welcome to the Graffiti Jungle. Benvenuti nella giungla del graffiti. Questa è la pensieri tangenziali, a podcast sui cigari. This is Tangential Thoughts, Cigar Talk Podcast. I'm your chief, Jahara. Sono il tuo capo, Jaharo.
Perfect.
So I added this picture of Jessica. Is it even Jessica Rabbit? What's that? Who framed Roger Rabbit? Yeah, not even sure. But again, the original artwork is not mine. I just took a picture of it. I liked it. Now I also freehand and drew this on my Jeep. And at first I was thinking to put, the Project Extinction design on the back. Um, but for some reason in my head, the Project Extinction design needed to go the other way. And I could have done that, but I just didn't feel like it. So I went looking for my inspiration folder, and I saw this one. So I decided to put this up there. And I think it came out relatively well. And so, of course, the most important parts there in the face. Those are the most important parts. Everything else, you get the picture of what it's supposed to be. So, shirt is coming along. I think I'm almost done with it, but again, I think I may add one more thing to it. I'm thinking to add just put Graffiti Jungle or Project Extinction Chief Jahara. Just put something across the front, even if it's just words. Not even a picture, but maybe some words. Hopefully, it was dry putting it on. That's the only reason I kind of held off from putting it on first. I held off from putting it on first because it was drying.